Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to make one of the quadrants in my Beatrice sew along for the summer. It is a little late. It was supposed to be out Tuesday, but had a bit of a family thing. You know, my son had an accident and here we are, late. Sorry about that. But for this, you're going to need, when I did my strips, I divided them into two piles because it was 2 blocks from each set of strips. So each half is going to be different, and I'm going to have all the sets on each half that way. It is a scrappy looking quilt. You don't have to do that. I guess I'm kind of being bougie about it, but it is what it is. So I've already sewn one strip together, and I wanted to show you each one of these. You'll only have 3 of this set. I'm sorry, 4 in the whole quilt, the way I'm doing it, because we're doing it in quadrants. Each corner is going to be done separately. And I did do it where I didn't have same fabrics touching. Like this block here, if I'd have turned it, this one would be touching this one. But I'm trying not to do that. I said I didn't. Like, this is the first strip I've sewn, because this is the first strip I've sewn. So we're going to lay it out just like this, and I'll show you here. So this is what we're doing, just that little square. And if you look at the quilt, if you just do that one and turn it, it's the same block. So I'm just making 4 of that. So this is my bottom strip that I just sewed here. And then my other 3 are laid out here. I got 2 stripes and a star, and then I got a stripe, a star, and a stripe, and then a star and 2 stripes. So we're just going to sew them into rows. And then we'll sew the rows into the block. So I'm going to go ahead and sew the rows. I'm just going to sew this one, and this one, and then I'll add those, and I'll be back to show you the rows before I move on to the next step. All right, so I've got them all sewn together. Now, if I had a star block, I ironed it to the star block. And if I didn't, I ironed it to the straight side. And I actually don't know if that's right yet or not, but we're about to find out. So now we're going to lay it back out based off of my picture that I have right here. And now we have our 4 strips. Again, you're going to do this 4 times, or you can just sew them all into rows. It does not matter. It's your preference. So now we're going to take our bottom 2, and I'm just going to fold it over. See, I'm doing it because I don't have a very big space here. So if I do it in quadrants, it's a little bit easier. So I'm going to pin at the seam. This is the only time you have to line up seams really also, so it works out. And I'm going to pin at the end. And I do pin once in the middle on these because it is very stretchy, being just strips. I find it a little stretchy, so we're just going to do that. And then I'm going to pin at this seam. And in the middle here. And then same here at the end or the beginning, however you want to look at it. And in the middle. And I'm going to do the same for these 2. I'm just going to fold it down. And then I'll have 2 sets of 2 strips. And I will sew them together. I'll lay it back out just like I did. And I'll sew them together. And then I'll have 1/4 of my quilt top made. So I'm going to do that. And then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. And this is what I'll be working on for the week. I do not have it done. They are laying in a pile over here. Like I said, I had a bit of a issue this week. So, not issue. Well, we can call it an issue. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. It kept me from sewing. So I'm going to do this and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Alright, so you really can't see it very well. I'll put a picture up. Well, it'll be the thumbnail. And I'll probably post one on Instagram and maybe Facebook, but there it is. This is, like I said, just a quarter of it. And if you pull it up, you'll see each row. So I hope you sewed along. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it, please try to post it in my Facebook group. We'll see if we can see them all and like them all. Thank you for joining along, and I will see y'all next time. Have a great day.